Today we're installing an Alcantara Sparco steering wheel on my 2019 track-prepped ND2 Miata. I'll show you how to safely remove the airbag, get rid of that annoying airbag light, and save yourself $50 using this simple resistor trick. And then they can sell you like a 5-cent resistor for like $10.
It was originally
$50? First, disconnect your battery and press the brake pedal to discharge any leftover current. The battery's disconnected, right? Make sure your steering wheel is straight before starting. The airbag is held by 3 spring clips, 2 on the sides and 1 on the bottom. Use a long flathead screwdriver to press them in. Once the clips are free, disconnect the harness and gently set the airbag aside. Loosen the center nut, but don't remove it completely yet. That'll stop the wheel from smacking you in the face when it comes loose. Remove the wheel carefully, keeping the clock spring centered. Instead of buying a dedicated $50 airbag resistor connector, just grab a resistor from any electronics store. About 2.2 ohms usually works. Push the leads into the airbag plug, then wrap it securely with electrical tape. Tape on it, yep. And then as long as it's stretched and that you tape on itself, and make sure you pull it. Run your horn wire through the hub. So then I'm gonna tuck this in and just like, and then there's holes in here that you can slip the connector through. And then these line up with the clock spring. That, and then we'll connect the wheel like this. Align the wheel straight and tighten everything down. Oh wait, this doesn't even fit. This is not. Okay. This hub is pretty nice. It's like, yeah, it's pretty like seamless. It's still like shorter than the stock. For this Sparco horn button, we had to shave down the plastic to get the right interference fit. Reconnect the battery, test your horn, and go on a short drive to make sure your steering wheel is straight. And you can still adjust it. It feels really good. Yeah, it's light, it's thick. I like how much smaller it is too. It looks really pretty. Yay, we did it. We're done.